Hi guys. So let us see your messages from your twin flame for the March second half. Wow. It's Ten of Pentacles. Sorry, Ten of Cups. Yeah, your messages for you from your twin flame. Let us see what are the messages for you from your twin flame. Queen of Swords. What are the messages for you from your twin flame? Oh, Queen of King of Wands. Queen of Swords and King of Wands facing each other. Nine of Wands. Eight of Cups. I was thinking about Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups also came. Yeah. So what is all about Ten of Cups? Ten of Cups is like you have in your heart space now your dream life. You want to live like this Ten of Cups. All your dreams fulfilled. Happy rainbow family life with you and your beloved person, with your kids and with your inner child, free flowing without any obstruction. That is what you want to actually live. Okay, that is what you are dreaming about also. Queen of Swords is like Swords means truth, Swords means communication, Swords means thoughts and thinkings. Okay, so Queen of Swords is like she's a very very mature lady. She's very good at communication, and she's a very authoritative lady, and she rules her kingdom with wisdom. Okay, she does not show any partiality, but the only thing she is missing is her dream person in reality. Okay, her twin flame, always that coldness is seen in her face. And the swords also represent truth. Okay, so now your twin flame is telling that he's standing up for his own truth. He's living as his authentic self and he's not wearing any masks. So he's completely, he or she, whomever it is, completely free from the clutches of social conditioning. And he decided to live. This is who I am, this is what I want, and I will live this only, I will choose this only. So he chooses to take action towards his dream life in reality. That is what is Queen of Swords. Next card is King of Wands. King of Wands is like, how I'll tell is, very 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 passionate man. Okay, and he's like all about financial gains, and he's very very good at marketing and sales. And he's a very hard work person, honest person, meditative person, professional, and he's very ethical, he's very trustworthy guy. And he's like, he cannot even think about anything other than his dream. He's that passionate for living his dream in reality. Okay, and the King of Wands, what I could see in this card is your person is telling, here he's standing for his truth. And through this card, he is telling that yes, he wants to live only his dreams in reality. And one among his dream is you. Okay, his complete dream itself is not you. One among his dream is you. Because, like, he also wants to become completely freedomful. This card also talks about freedom because he's completely freedomful personality. Okay, so he does not want to physically, emotionally, financially depend upon anybody else. Okay, so he's taking steps towards that. He want to free himself, he want to be as who he is. and he want to live his dream lives in reality. Okay, so that is what is king of wands. Next is nine of wands. So this nine of wands, what it tells is, while he is on the way journey of making his dreams into true, and on the way journey of living his dream life in reality, what happens is he has lots of emotional trauma from childhood days, from small age. Okay, so all that trauma is there within himself, and it is keeping on triggering. When something happens in his day-to-day routine life now, one thing triggers, and that trigger goes and triggers the other trigger. Like that, that chain keeps on moving on, where until where it started. So he is having so much of, he or she, whomever it is, they are having that wound still from its root. So that has to be healed, and that has to be thrown out, let go. Okay, so instead of destroying, spending all your energy in destroying the old, what I will suggest for your person is, because his cards are only displayed now, what I will suggest for your person is, build the new. Once you start building, see, this much space is occupied by the old. Okay, and this is the center. So instead of destroying all this much place and wasting your energy from here, start building the new. Once you start building the new will start occupying all the space. So once the new starts occupying all the space now, automatically old will go away, worn out. Okay, so you need not have to destroy it at all. So like that, your person is having like, still having all that emotional wounds, and still having all the triggers inside him. And he has to be healed. Actually, he's not yet healed. He's carrying the trauma, carrying that wounds. Along with that, he's trying to manifest, it won't work out. So he's telling, with the wounds, it's, I'm feeling very painful, at the same time I'm feeling stuck also. That is what he's conveying to you. So what he is doing is, because of that, this eight of cups, he's walking away from all the energy, situations and people, what are all draining his energy, and which is not serving for his highest good. That is what is eight of cups. He's walking away from all the things which is letting him down. So this is and all is okay, but what I see is, he has to take step for healing. Only when he heals from all the root cause, let goes of the root cause, and then he starts to build his manifestation foundation for the manifestation, along with healing, then the manifestation will come into reality. Okay, so these are going to be the messages from your twin flame. So now let us see what are the actions they are taking towards you. Okay, ace of wands. Ace of wands means to live their passion. They are not able to think any other thing other than their passion. Here they chose to live the passion. Here they are not able to think any other thing other than their passion. So they want to live, they're very determined and they want to live only their passion. So they are thinking how to live my passion, how to bring it into reality. What are the things I have to do? What are the needed materials I have to collect to bring my passion into reality? What action should I take? That is what they are thinking. Nine of swords. While marching forward in this journey itself, because of the past fears they experienced now, they're very scared about the failure. What if it goes wrong? What if it does not um, become, like, what if my dreams does not come into reality? What if this, I opposed to all this complete society, I opposed to the complete family, I'm taking step towards it, and I'm trying, giving my all 100% to it, and what if it goes wrong? What if it becomes a failure? All this fear is there, no? And what if I lost all my money in this? I don't want to be dependent. If I lose money, or obviously I'll become a dependent. So all these fears that is popping up within themselves. So when this fear is popping up, actually this fear is a illusion, it's not true. They have to realize it's an illusion. So what step they have to take towards this is, they have to be brave enough to face the facts. Whatever happens, let me face it. Then only they will know this fear is illusion. So let us see what is the next card. Let me see, why are they so scared? Even though it's past fears are there lingering within them, what is making them so scared? What is the solution for this? High priestess. They are like, before this they would have tried now. That time, when they have tried secretly without telling anybody. Okay, before this also, that means before this also they have tried, but they have not said anyone, they have just tried by themselves and they could not succeed. So they are not having the confidence. That is the reason for this fear. And the solution for this fear is, even now also they want to try it without telling to anybody. They don't want to tell this is what I'm going to do. They don't want to announce to anybody, or they don't even want to convey to their friends that this is what I'm going to do. No. Now, instead of fear, what they are doing is they are trusting the divine 100% with divine faith, and they surrendered themselves to the divine. Before this, they didn't do that. Now they are doing that, and now they are putting their whole heart and soul into whatever they are doing. Their investment is not money, their investment is divine faith. Their investment is complete themselves itself, surrender. Page of swords. Swords means communication. Swords means thinkings and thoughts. Swords means truth. Pages are all young and refreshing energy. Pages are all very, very active researchers. Okay. So, page of swords means now she's thinking, or he is thinking about, am I doing the right thing? Am I on the right path? So, whatever have I done it properly? Have I given my 100% to it, or have I missed out anything? So should I correct here or correct there? All that verification cautions will be there. No, they are re-verifying and checking and again, and they are sitting with themselves and doing self analysis. Once they are satisfied, they feel, yes, I've done everything properly. Yeah, this is the right way to do it. Only when they get that satisfaction, they'll stop keeping on analyzing. Okay, so this is what is page of swords. This is also the action they are taking towards their twin flame. Judgment. So in this judgment card, what I'm getting is, now they are pacified. Now they are okay, I have done what I have to do. They are praying to their higher self. They are talking to their own higher self. Okay, see, you can see, you can see now. They're talking to their own higher self and telling, whatever I have to do, I completely surrendered to God. I did whatever I can do. I have put my 100% effort. I have given my 100% soul and heart. So rest is in God's hand. Like that, they are telling. So he completely trusts whatever has to come, whatever God has created for me at any cost, it will come to me. So only thing is, I have to make myself eligible enough to receive it. So what all efforts I have to put, I have put already. So let it come to me when I'm ready. So my part now is making myself ready to receive it. I don't want to wait. I want to keep on living my life, making myself eligible enough. This is what is the action he is taking. So this is going to be March second halves, your twin flames messages and what action they took towards you. Okay, so let us see in April messages. Until then, bye.